gonna show you how to make a butterfly painting. It's super easy. You just need paper, paint, and paintbrushes. And let's get started. First, you're gonna fold the paper on correctly like this. Correctly. Don't put it farther than that. And now here, I drew my butterfly shape. Now I'm gonna cut it out. Here's my butterfly. And look, I'm almost there. And now look, it's here. Now that I opened it, I'm only gonna paint one side. You have to make any design you want, but I have to look like a butterfly. Now look, I have the paintbrush. Now I'm gonna dip inside here which one I chose. Putting sparkles too. You can copy me too. Now that I finished all here my colors, I'm gonna lightly fold it with a little pushing. Just a tiny push. And here's the reveal. That looks perfect. Now that my whole thing is right here, you can see that nothing is going on. Now that I cut out these stuff, I'm gonna stick it on like this. To call it intended. Look at your beautiful butterfly. Beautiful one. Bye.